the ruler of the skies, the god of speed and power. This is the F-47, Boeing's newest masterpiece and the flagship of America's sixth-generation air power, built to rewrite the rules of aerial warfare. With a top speed beyond Mach 2 and a combat range of over 1,850 kilometers, nothing can outrun it. The F-47 is equipped with ultra-advanced artificial intelligence that controls everything on its own, from complex maneuvers to threat detection and split-second decision-making in the heat of battle. This jet doesn't just fight by itself. It can simultaneously coordinate with accompanying drones, commanding them like an intelligent air fleet. Its next-level surveillance systems track enemies, gather real-time data, and even decide when to strike or defend without any pilot intervention. Its sixth-generation aerodynamic design and stealth technology make it nearly impossible for even the most advanced enemy defense systems to detect. With unmatched agility and a next-generation thrust vectoring system, it can perform moves no other jet can. And its lethal precision weapons, a mix of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, turn it into a full-scale killing machine. Each F-47 costs around $170 million, with mass production beginning in 2025. By 2029, this ruler of the skies will officially enter service, marking the dawn of a new era of smart, autonomous air dominance. The F-47 is the symbol of power, speed, stealth, and advanced AI, a fighter jet that thinks, fights, and controls the battlefield by coordinating with drones and collecting intelligence in real time. Subscribe to our channel to see interesting videos.